Hey everyone, today we're going to be making some personalised dog bowls. Here I've got a bowl from Wilkinson's, and as you can see it's already got this nice part on ready for the name to be stuck onto. And I'm just measuring up to check how big I need to make it, and I'm always checking it twice. Then I'm just going to my Silhouette software and I'm drawing out a square that is the same size as the section on the bowl, just so I know how big I need my font. As you can see, I'm just using the resizing tool after drawing a box approximately the right size, and now it's the exact size that I want it. I'm going to copy it because I'm making 2 dog bowls as my mum's getting 2 new puppies. And now I'm just typing out their names. So there's Hugo, and now I'm just changing the font. I've picked out a font that is very animal-like, with some little paw prints in, which I thought was really cute. And then I'm just resizing it to be the correct size for the box. Hugo's name's a bit smaller, so I make the box a bit thinner so I'm wasting less vinyl. Now on to Louis, and I'm just repeating those steps again. Now that I've got those the correct size, notice I'm leaving those lines around the outside. This makes it easier to weed later. Now I'm just going to my cut settings, but then I remembered HTV, flip it. That's one thing lots of the time I forget, which you'll see later. I've got a note on my Silhouette to help me remember. Now I'm just going into my settings and I'm going to my vinyl settings, and it's HTV, so we've got to go to the correct settings. Then I'm just going to cut it on the Silhouette, and as you can see in the lid of my Silhouette, there is my little reminder that I made to remind me to flip my HTV. Now I'm just going to be weeding off that HTV, and I'm just using a pair of tweezers to do this. Some people prefer a pick, but I quite like the tweezers for getting into those small spaces. Now you can see the finished look. I just chop them down into little squares before pressing onto the bowl where I think it should go. I started off using an iron, as you can see here, and I'm just kind of pressing it onto the bowl and then keep checking to see if it's stuck. Later on, you don't see this in the video, but I actually tried some straighteners on the bowl, and this seemed to work a bit better because it was easier to get the straightener around the curved surface of the bowl, so that worked really well. And here's the finished product. Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and my Facebook and subscribe.